There's something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just your smile. I don't know how to say it now. I've been thinking for a while. The best way to say it, woman, your energy is right, baby. So right. Before I hold you in my arms, hold you close in my arms. I wanna hold you in my heart, baby. Before we share our love upon that bed, I wanna place this crown upon your head. Oh, girl, you're my queen. Majesty. Oh, you are my queen. Majesty. Don't you know you are my queen? Majesty. Oh, you are my queen, yeah. Queen of the jungle, yeah. You are the lioness. At the feline I grumble, yeah. Still you're always trying your best. So when the old world I crumble, your lion is alright, baby. Alright. Before I hold you close, just before I hold you close. Oh girl, I wanna let you know, when all is done and all is said, you deserve that crown upon your head. Come on, baby, my queen, majesty. Oh, you are my queen, majesty. Don't you know you are my queen, majesty?
Hey guys, I'm going to this kind of fancy-ish event, a cocktail event. Oris is launching a new product or a new line, I believe, and celebrating Davina. And Ashley and I got invited. So this is the look that I came up with. I was inspired by Minnie Marley's version of this, so I did something similar with my hair. So Ashley will be posting her video of her hair for this event as well. So look out for that. It will probably be in the description. So I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you like this video. And yeah, my drive going to leave you now. So bye.
Girl, you're my queen, majesty. Oh, you are my queen, yeah, majesty. Yes, you know you are. Yes, you know you are. Yes.